Hi all, just finished the first week of my 6-week course, my Infinite Possibilities workshop online. I really honestly never thought I would do it online. I don't know why I thought that, and I actually kind of liked it. It was a little bit disconcerting that I didn't have a lot of back and forth because there was some feedback on some people's connection or whatever, and so I had everybody mute at least while I was speaking. They could still ask questions or whatever. And I'm so proud of myself. So, one of the things that I teach is about the language that you use with yourself, right? And one of them for me was always like, oh, I'm horrible at technology. I don't do technology well. And now what I say to myself is it doesn't come naturally. And when I tell myself that it doesn't come naturally, technology doesn't come naturally to me, it actually does something to me that says, okay, it may not come naturally, and I'm going to go ahead and try it anyway. And what I found is that as I try these new things and I push myself past my comfort zone in regards to technology, what happens is, yeah, I make mistakes, and yes, I don't always know how to do things. And what I'm noticing is that the more I push through this whole idea of I'm not good at technology to it doesn't come naturally, it's starting to actually come more naturally to me. And I think I have less nervousness, or when you don't know something and whatever that is, just knowledge, or practical usage. So because I'm being kinder and gentler to myself, I'm saying to myself, it's okay that it may not come naturally, and I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. And what's happening is success. So I was able to share my screen. I was able to talk with all the people that were on. We did have, I did recognize that there was a limitation to the platform we were using, and now I'm going to look at another platform, shockingly enough. Going to research another one and see if I can't find one that's a little bit better fit. And the reason that I'm telling you this is not only because I'm excited that I actually am doing this online, which means that I can reach more people, which is the whole goal of all of this, is if I can affect change on as many people as possible, I could somehow teach them something that I know about finding joy, cultivating joy, living in joy, being able to manage your emotions, getting past your stuckness, getting past whatever that is that's standing in the way of you getting the stuff that you want in your life. And I don't mean stuff like actual stuff, but I also do mean stuff like actual stuff, like the house, the car, the monetary whatever, the career, the job, the business, the people, but like also people and deep meaningful relationships and purpose, meaning in your life, and all of those things, which are just as rich, if not richer, definitely richer than the stuff, right? The stuff doesn't bring happiness. We all recognize that on an intellectual level. On a feeling, emotional, spiritual level, it is absolutely the truth. The stuff means nothing, right? On your deathbed, you're not going, I wish I had collected more stuff, more cars, another house, more jewelry, more whatever. No, you're saying, I wish I had spent more time with my family. I wish I had more deep, meaningful relationships. And this course that I teach allows you to understand how that works. How do you call these people into your life? How do you hold the space to have meaningful, deep relationships by you being those things, those qualities that you want to see and have in your relationships? That's how you do it. The law of attraction is like attracts like. If you want that relationship, that killer number 10 relationship that you want, requires you to be number 10 too. Not just the other person, because the other person, if they're 10 and you're a 7, they're not going to want to be with you. They want to be with a 10 too, right? Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So my workshop, although I've just sent off the first recording, it's not too late. If you want to listen to the first recording, register, listen to the first recording, then you can hop right on to the second one. It's absolutely okay and wonderful. And I hope you are there. I want to affect change in as many people as I possibly can because I figured out how to find joy in my life. I want to teach you how to find joy in your life now, before all this stuff, before everything you said that you wanted. And I want to teach you how to get clarity and how to get to that stuff. Figure out your limiting beliefs. What's standing in your way? How come you cannot make the decisions that you need to make in order to get the results that you want in your life? We're going to look at all of that. We're going to figure out how to dismantle it. We're going to create new neural pathways so that we can create the positive, good stuff and be happy as often as feasibly possible. Anyway, that's all I have to say. I sure hope you'll join me because it is an absolute pleasure. I am completely in my purpose when I'm doing these classes, and I want to show you how to find your purpose. Peace.